In the last vlog, we channeled our inner kids as we conquered our fears and suspended our disbelief and met up with Princess. Today, we're continuing our adventure in Tomorrowland and Adventureland before eventually returning to Fantasyland to cap the night with an iconic Disney experience, the fireworks show. Our first stop after the Main Street Parade is Tomorrowland for our Lightning Pass booking at Buzz Lightyear's ride.
Ganito din sa Disney Japan.
Ah, ganon! Okay, you're just gonna do that. Paano to? Spin. Spin? Z's. But mine doesn't look like it has anything.
Robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser
You can
cannon.
do the spin.
Oh. Isa na lang kaya sa atin mag-video para ma-enjoy mo. Ako ba o ikaw? Pero ba't ayaw? Ah, yun. Ayun. I think. I know, because it's just laser. Whoa! Ah, this is actually super fun. What's going on?
Why is ours blinking? We're the chosen ones.
Na naman, quadruple S.
Bakit si Benting?
Girl, ikaw po, ako pa yung nagbibideo na lagyan na yan, ha? Oh my, what is this blinding lights? Ah! What is this?
Sakit sa mata.
I know, I don't like the blinding light.
Ours is ano?
Yeah, why is ours blinking?
Tapos na siya. Bye-bye.
Tapos na? Aww. That was fun. Alright, she's happy.
Dapat ganito lang, Disney World. Yay!
Uy, mabilisan ulit. Ganun lang din siya kagaya ng Buzz Lightyear. Oh, magkaharap siya.
Alright, again.
Oh! Malalaglag pa. Say hi! Hi!
Kulay ko one.
Then step into the car.
Dami mong kakulay today.
Remain seated at all times.
Woo!
Yan na. Mabilisan, di ba?
Way in the sky, the absolute best way to see tomorrow.
Ganito lang siya.
Spacecraft to monster.
Pahinga, pahinga. So we're gonna go to the jingle cruise.
For your seat.
I'm just gonna say, there's a lot of anti-fake animals.
Transfer to green and red lines. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. I find two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World.
Okay, babalik daw kami next.
On our way to our next Lightning Pass booking at the Jungle Cruise, we found Elsa and Anna singing at Cinderella's
You wanna
castle,
build
so
a
of
snow?
course, we had to stop.
From the land of the Mystic Mountains, Elsa, Anna.
Wait, what did she say? Bes, nawala ko si Thea. Ikaw lang. I don't know where she went. Lightning lane kami, guys. Let's go. VIP lane, let's go. Diba? Dami namin nilampasan, guys. Hindi na lang. 65 minutes na sana itong inintay Pero at least may upuan. I like. Okay. Oh, sorry. I know, right? Alam mo yun lahat ng sinabi natin.
Yung hindi ko abot din.
Akin na. Madali. Talagin na. KO na si Yana. Sawal lang, sawal.
Ay, sorry. Andiyan na
Si Mirabel.
Pero wala sila. Yung family.
Si Mirabel lang mag-isa. Gusto ko si Luisa. Ganyan yung bahay nila, guys.
We had time to kill before our next lightning pass ride, so we met Maribel and watched the show at the Philharmagic Theater to give our tired feet a little break.
It's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the Philharmagic Orchestra.
Hindi na naman siya makakatulog mamaya. Eh? Tinatakot mo lang si Thea, bes eh. Yung bag yun. Ganon.
East wind traded places with west wind.
Maganda pa sa Navi.
Yun na siya.
Maganda pa siya sa Navi.
Correct, I agree. Thea, how does it feel to be VIP? Oh, it's also water. Yung mga trauma girls. Oh, it looks like Johnny Depp. Look. Ano? Yun o, ang galing niya.
Mas magandang ka talaga sa Navi.
Guys, yung ano namin, baseline namin, yung Navi.
Kasi tagal ng lineup, tapos ganun.
50 minutes tapos, ano nangyari? Dilim na naman. Ayoko nung madilim eh, nababasa ako.
Ayun na si Pirate. Ayun na si...
Ayan si Jack Sparrow. Ah, tapos na. Ay no, basang-basa na ako. Guys, we're skipping this line again. Let's go, VIP. Ning best. Oh, ganun lang. Oh, mabilis lang, I think.
Watch over.
Ganito lang.
Lots of dancing and singing. And then, okay, now let's go.
Oh, hi!
Fell head over fins in love.
Kunwari lang you're going down water. Oh.
Flashback.
Everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares?
End of flashback.
Big deal. I want more.
Bes, mas maganda sa Nabi, di ba? Ba't nandito si Aquaman? Sige.
You just have to be brave enough to see it.
Brave. Oh, I love her. Up. Tapos na? I think yung ending niya yung ano, pagka nag-Disney movie, di ba? Ten, 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 ten. Ano ba yun? Whatever.
Go friend.
Yeah. Guys. Nakakayak din lumabas, guys.
Kahit singit na ako doon, umiyak pa din ako. But so nice. It's really,
Honestly,
worth it lahat. Dito pa lang namin. Ang ganda. I'm so parang
ako din.
I can't imagine.
We didn't catch the fireworks in Disneyland, so this is super nice. I don't know if it's the same thing, but like that's awesome.
It was so awesome.
Yeah.
Hindi ko expect na ganun siya. I mean, ganun na yung maganda talaga siya. Sinasabi ng iba, right? Like vlogs.
Yeah.
Pero nung nandun na ako,
The
if you were there-
effort.
Yeah,
It's just the effort is so crazy. Tinkerbell, like what the hell?
Yeah. Because
You know?
earlier, May saw this line, like a rope. Parang
And she's like,
line.
yeah, we were like wondering. She said, what do you think the rope is for? And we're like, good question. And then we figured it out. And like the trees. The trees is like such an experience. The attention.
May
Yeah.
pixie
Pixie dust, yeah. The attention to detail is just unbelievable. Like,
Tsaka I like how they put together all the like
True.
yung mga fight scene and then like the
Yeah.
happy ending scene. Alam mo yun?
yeah, they always go through
Unlike
kind of a story in all the rides, but also, so I didn't expect, the show's a show, but in this case too, it's a story. So started off like you would regular story. There's a setup.
Yeah.
You saw all of the different characters, and then all of the different villains, and then the happily ever after.
Yeah.
It's like so good. So if you were wondering why we're here, we are trying to wait out the people trying to get out of this park.
Yeah.
And there is way too many people.
Too many people, way too many traffic. So we're just gonna wait for our other party.
We don't even know where they are, to be honest. And we're gonna meet them here, but I'm sure we will meet somewhere.
Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, and let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
That's what I was telling you. I just very, very poorly explained it. Wow. Oh my god! That's what the rope was for! The rope! Oh my gosh! Wala na kami. Ito pa oh, look at that oh. The rope, yung pala yung rope. Look at the tree.
See the...
Grabe. Kahit ako actually, that was amazing.